This is the elevator at Kodra Professional Park here in Sarasota, Florida. Oh my gosh. It is raining like crazy. Let's go to 1. I was thinking we may have something vintage, or maybe something vintage that got modded, but turns out we just have a newer Series 1. But this building screams the 60s, 70s outside. You know what? I'm gonna take another ride. There's your AD phone. I'm just gonna stay here till it quits raining. That is an epic motor. Down to 1. Not sure if it's supposed to sound like that, but it sounds pretty cool. You're on 1. Button goes out. There it goes. And I guess that's it. You'll see what I mean. This place does scream the 60s, 70s outside. Yeah, see. Anyways, that's it.